And then Palantir falling despite a solid report, earnings and revenue coming in better. The company raising its current quarter and full year revenue guidance. For more on Palantir's move, now down about 7.5%. Let's bring in Seema Modi. Seema, and the CEO had something to say about it as well.
He sure did, Sarah. Palantir CEO Alex Karp joining CNBC in the last hour and addressed the stock reaction despite a very upbeat fourth quarter outlook. And he also had a strong message for short sellers, calling out Scion's Michael Burry after a 13F filing revealed the big short investor had bets against Palantir.
I'll tell you why the short sellers are constantly getting screwed by Palantir. Because every time they short us, we just are like tripling down on getting the better numbers, and part, honestly, to make them poorer.
Now, the street reaction this morning has been overwhelmingly positive. Morgan Stanley upping its price target from $155 to $205 a share, saying it is hard to find a better fundamental story in software than Palantir right now. Cantor Fitzgerald keeping Palantir at a neutral rating only due to valuation. They're citing the growth that Palantir is seeing in its artificial intelligence platform. Palantir is currently the most expensive company in terms of price to sales ratios in the software sector. And when asked about valuation, Karp pointed to Palantir's run rate and that 121% year-over-year surge in commercial. And that is due in part to Palantir's success with boot camps that are essentially helping train clients on how to use its technology real time. Karp on the call said that's leading to faster AI adoption, with total customer count increasing 45% year over year, and contract sizes with new deals of over $10 million, up 3 times. Right at this hour, shares of Palantir are down about 8%, but still up over 154% this year. Key topics I think investors are going to keep an eye on. One is capital returns. We didn't get any signs of a stock split last night. And then its ability to scale its partnerships with customers overseas. Karp on the call did call out growth in Europe being, quote, stagnant, guys.
I actually thought he was tame. Last year in an interview with me, he called the short sellers like drug addicts, and that he was like their coke dealer, trying to take it away. But clearly, look, he's a champion for this is a retail stock, and when you look at some of the gains that Palantir has had over the last few years, I mean, it's really retail based, and I think that's been sort of the message, and I wonder what the commentary there is today, because it's never one that's easy to follow, Seema. When you look at some of the analyst commentary and report, they just don't get excited about the valuation.
I would encourage everyone to read the transcript from the earnings call last night, Sarah, because there was something there for investors, but there was clearly a message he had for the retail community as well, why he thinks Palantir's technology is really empowering the West, how their software is helping the military find and target the bad guys and make decisions in a faster speed and a faster timeline. He also talked about why the company is taking a stance on certain political issues and why they're working with ICE and trying to find those alleged drug boats coming in from South America that are bringing in drugs. So there was a lot to say there, and I think that's where he stands on how he's trying to sort of create enthusiasm amongst those in the retail community, guys.
Yeah, he's certainly a unique voice and not afraid to use it as well. Seema, thank you.